I let it fall, my heart, and I still felt your arms to claim it. It was hard, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say,